When is a snow foam not a snow foam? When it's designed to be a snow foam lance applied shampoo. Today I'm going to be looking at the new MJJC Snowfoam Shampoo. So to start with, I just want to make clear this is a shampoo, not a pre-wash product. So application. The instructions say to pre-rinse prior to application, but for me I would always choose to pre-wash prior to using a shampoo. I would use a dedicated snow foam or a citrus pre-wash product. Just felt that I had to get it in there. So the instructions say add 100ml of product to 900ml of water, and to keep it consistent I'm using the MJJC Snowfoam Lance to go with it, and I have to say this has got to be the thickest product that I have ever applied out of a snow foam lance. It really is just like spraying whipped cream straight onto your car. Now, for the wash itself, I've tried it two ways, both using just one single bucket. However, on the black car, I've sprayed some of the solution into the rinse bucket, and in the white car, that you'll see later on, I'm just using pure water. Using the product itself, it was actually quite a pleasant user experience. The shampoo was certainly slick enough. The car was clean after it. However, I do have a couple of reservations about using this particular method of wash. What I've found in the past trying it this way is that it can be easy to miss a spot. And if you haven't already noticed, the car looks like a marshmallow. I'm shaking my hands off there. It's quite a messy way to wash the car, and it also leaves quite a lot of mess behind, but we'll touch on that a little bit later. And just while I'm washing the car down, or the cars, I thought it's probably the right time to bring up the cost of this product. It comes in a 600ml bottle, and that cost in pounds as of today, the 14th of February 2023, on the MJJC website is £9.61. It's been vastly reduced from the original £15 that it was, which means that this product's going to cost you £1.60 a wash if you use the full 100ml per wash. In both instances I didn't. I used 50ml of product to 450ml of water, which then brings you down to around about 80p per wash. So it's not actually as expensive as what it first was when it originally came out. For me, I actually thought the rinse down on this product was going to be an absolute nightmare, purely because how thick it came out of that snow foam lance. But in all fairness, getting the product off the car wasn't a problem at all. I was really surprised by it, and it did rinse off very, very easily. The driveway on the other hand though, take a look at this. We'll come back to this a little bit later on, but look at how much soap is left on the driveway. On to the, what I would call, reading off the label section. So what is this snow foam shampoo all about? Well, MJJC say that it's applicable to all coating, colours and coated vehicles. It has a refreshing cider aroma, contains crude palm oil, not sure what that's for, some kind of surfactant maybe, and it's pH neutral. As we can see from the rinse off on the black BMW, it had no effect on the previous protection that was laid down on that. Again, they also say that it's a super thick foam. They're certainly not hiding behind the fact that this really is an incredibly thick foaming product. After rinsing the product off the car and just admiring the work, I've got to say I'm really happy with how the car turned out using this product. And thickness aside and what was left in the driveway, it was actually quite, for me, a nice experience. I did say we would come back to what was left in the driveway, and for me, this is just a little bit too much. That's actually enough to put me off using a product that leaves that much mess behind. once the car was moved out of the way, you can see what it's looking like. I actually felt that embarrassed that I had to go and rinse the driveway down. I guess, just to sum up my thoughts on this product, is that if you like using this style of wash where you spray your shampoo onto the car, then go in with a wash mitt, just using a single bucket, and you can look past the mess that's left behind on the driveway, or you're willing to tidy it up after yourself, you should definitely consider giving this product a go. All that's left for me to do now is say a massive thanks for watching. Remember, if you liked the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.
You told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.